Hello there, my name is Gaetana Berta and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. Today I am here to talk about four words that might be pronounced wrong. ስሜ ጌታነህ በርታ ይባላል። የቻናሉ ስም ለርን ኢንግሊሽ ዊዝ ጌታነህ ይባላል። ዛሬ የመጣሁበት አምስት ቃላቶችን ይዣለሁ። አክቹሊ አንደኛው ተመሳሳይ ነው። ምናልባት if we pronounce wrong afterwards, you will try your best to pronounce those words correctly. ምናልባት በስህተት ፕሮናንስ የምናደርጋቸው ቃላቶች ሊኖሩ ስለሚችሉ እነዛን ለማስተካከል ነው። So what is the first word that might be pronounced wrong? The first one is live. Okay, live. Actually, we pronounce L-I-V-E as live when we use it as a verb. If you want to use L-I-V-E as a verb, L-I-V-E እንደ ግስ መጠቀም የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ ምን ብላችሁ ነው የምታነቡት? live ብላችሁ ነው የምታነቡት። L-I-V-E. If you want to mean exist in a particular place or time, you can use live. For example, I live in Ethiopia. My parents live in Debre Birhan. Or you can say, my grandparents live in the US. So, in all those sentences, live is used as a verb. እንደምንድን ነው የተጠቀመው ማለት ነው? እንደ verb ነው የተጠቀመው። So, live በራሱ word ክላሱን ይናገራል ማለት ነው። When someone says live ካለ አንድ ግለሰብ ምንድነው እየተናገረ ያለው ማለት ነው? ግስ መሆኑን ያሳይልናል ማለት ነው። So live as a verb. Don't forget guys, live as a verb. However, or on the other hand, we can use L-I-V-E as an adjective, but its pronunciation is different from live. ነገር ግን L-I-V-E እንደ adjective ስንጠቀመው pronunciation ምን ይላል? የተለያየ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So, what is the pronunciation of L-I-V-E as an adjective? If you say live, that is correct. So, firstly, what does live mean? Live means something which is being broadcast as it is happening is called live. Live ማለት የሆነ ነገር happen እያደረገ በቴሌቪዥን or በሆነ ነገር broadcast የሚደረግ ከሆነ ምን እንላለን? That situation is known as live. So if I say live, I mean I am using it as an adjective. L-I-V-E live ብዬ ሳነብ እንደምንድን ነው ማለት ነው እየተጠቀምኩት ያለሁት? እንደ adjective ነው ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን live ካልኩኝ as a noun, I mean as a verb, sorry, but live as an adjective. አረፍተ ነገርም ላይ ስትራክቸራቸው የተለያየ ነው። የሚመጡበት ማን ከማን ጋር ኮንጁጌት ይደረጋል የተለያየ ነው። For example, the boys are watching a live football match. A live football match. Live is an adjective which modifies a football match. As you probably know, we use adjectives when we want to describe nouns or pronouns. In this context, the adjective live is used to describe a football match. The boys are watching a live football match. ነገር ግን እንደዚህ ማለት አንችልም። The boys are watching a live football match ማለት አንችልም። ስለዚህ live as an adjective, it adds additional information about the noun or the pronoun. Live as a verb, it shows where somebody exists. ልብ በሉ እንዳትረሱ። Live, it is a verb. Live, it is an adjective. live is a verb, live is an adjective. Orthographically, they can be written similarly. በጽሁፍ ተመሳሳይ ነው የምንጽፋቸው። ስፔሊንጋቸው የሁለቱም ተመሳሳይ ነው። LIVE ነው። ባት ወርድ ክላሳቸው ሲለያይ ግን ፕሮናንሴሽናቸው አብሮ ይለያያል። So LIVE as a verb, it must be pronounced as live. LIVE as an adjective, it must be pronounced as live. LIV in the adjective live, LIV in the verb ደግሞ live ተብሎ pronounce ይደረጋል ማለት ነው። Another example, BBC is broadcasting a live marathon race. We have an adjective, live is an adjective which modifies a marathon race. BBC is broadcasting a live marathon race. We have a noun which is modified by the adjective live. So live in this context is an adjective. The next word that we need to pronounce correctly is lingerie. LINGERIE. How do you pronounce this word? Linger? No, that is not correct. The correct pronunciation of LINGERIE is lingerie. Lingerie. በተለይ ሴቶች ሌሊት ላይ የሚለብሱት የሌሊት ልብስ ምን ይባላል? Night underwear. Night undergarment that is worn by women or girls is called lingerie. Lingerie is a collective noun because በውስጡ ብዙ ነገሮችን ስለያዘ ወደ ፕሉራል መቀየር አይቻልም። Lingerie. We cannot say lingeries. So how do we pronounce that word? LINGERIE. It must be pronounced as lingerie. For example, Martha bought a lot of lingerie from the market. Martha bought a lot of lingerie from the market. Or you can say, do you like wearing lingerie? So, lingerie. That is the correct pronunciation of the word. The next word that I would like to share its pronunciation with you is MACHETE. How would you pronounce this word? MACHETE. Okay, if you say Mikeri, that is correct. ሜንጫ ማለት ነው። MACHETE ከቢላ ከፍ ያለ ሜንጫ ምን ይባላል? ልክ እንደ ጎራዳ አይነት ነው። ምን ይባላል? That is called Mikeri in English. The pronunciation is not Maketi. The pronunciation is not Machete. It is Mikeri. ለምን ድ ሆነ? Because sometimes when you have the letter or the sound T between two vowel sound, it must be flapped. Mikeri ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The T sound በሁለት ቫውሎች መካከል ከመጣ ፍላፕ ስለሚደረግ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? That is Mikeri ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Mikeri ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ሜንጫ እንደማለት ነው። It is a material which is used to cut things. For example, if you want to cut trees, you can use Mikeris, but don't cut trees. ለምሳሌ ዛፍ መቁረጥ ብትፈልጉ ምን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? ሚኬሪ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። አክስ ማለት አይደለም፣ ከዛ ጋር የተለያየ ነው። ሜንጫ ማለት ነው። MACHET. For example, in a sentence, I cut the trees with Mikeri. And the boy cuts the bones with Mikeri. So Mikeri is a material which is used to cut things. The last word for today that I would like share its correct pronunciation with you is this. maybe ባዮሎጂ መምህራን ልታውቋት ትችላላችሁ። ያች ወርድ ምንድናት? ስፔሊንጓን ልንገራችሁ። LICHEN ናት። LICHEN. So how would you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Lichen? No, that is not the correct pronunciation of that word. The correct pronunciation of the word is lichen. ትክክለኛ pronunciation ምንድን ነው? lichen ነው። LICHEN. It is called lichen. What is lichen? You know, lichen is an organism. ለምሳሌ ድንጋዮች ላይ ምናምን የምታያቸው ይሄ ወንዝ አካባቢ የምታያቸው አረንጓዴ ነገሮች ምን ሊባሉ ይችላሉ? ላይከንስ ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። We can use lichen in example. For example, the rocks are covered with lichens. The rocks are covered with lichens. Or you can say, I like filming lichens. Or you can say, I like taking the photo of lichens. So that is all about today's lesson. So what are the words that might be pronounced wrong, but hereafter you need to pronounce correctly? The first one is using live as a verb. Live as a verb. If you say live, that means you are talking about you mean exist in a particular place. መኖርን እየገለጻችሁ live እያላችሁ ከሆነ ነገር ግን እንደ አድጀክቲቭ መጠቀም ካለባችሁ ምንድነው ማለት ያለባችሁ ብለናል? ላይቭ ነው ማለት ያለባችሁ። በተለይ ለቴሌቪዥን ለዩቲዩብ ላይ ያኮ ኳስ ሊቭ ነው ሳይሆን ማለት ያለባችሁ ያው ኳስ እኮ ላይቭ ነው ማለት ያለባችሁ። it is adjective ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። pronunciation መቀየር ስላለበት። The next one is lingerie. You know, lingerie, women's underwear, night underwear is called lingerie. The next one is lichen, and the last one is mcatey. These are the words that we need to pronounce correctly hereafter. So that is all about today's lesson. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. See you soon.